Hello friends, Mexican Spec here. Let's try to get this car moving again. I really hate those birds. Okay, let's see if I can get a rubber hose to cover the holes in the metal line. Okay, all the gasoline went somewhere. Okay, now here is my problem. Right here, I think, is where the problem is. So I'm going to try to get this to go all the way down and cover that part. So let's see if I can set you up. Let's lubricate this, lubricate that. I don't know if anybody else has the same luck, but I have 5 or 6 WD-40 cans around the house, and one works. I'm not sure this is going to work. I'm not sure this is going to go all the way down. Nope, it's not going to go past the curves. So, let's see if I can cut this. Without cutting my hands. Okay. If we have to cheat, we have to cheat. Okay. This will go on first. And then this will go on. Tighten up this, which I should have done while it was out, which I'll do now. Come on, tight. I know, the 1/4-inch socket would have been easier, but it's faster to grab a screwdriver. As you can tell, I make the most exciting videos anywhere on YouTube. So, hopefully the end result will be more exciting. So I can move the car, cut the branches down, and make some birds homeless. But this is not working. So I have another one that I will loosen. And try to put on there. There's always something in the way. You want to tighten down these clamps. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay. The best thing about having a bunch of extra cars is that you can take parts off them and then go to the store later to replace them. So let's see. Let's put this one on here. And we will tighten this down. Birds. At least they're not the ones in the tree making noise. The neighbor has a bird in a cage. Like we don't have enough birds around here already. Okay. Almost ready to see if this is going to work. Murphy's Law. That always happens. Let's try to bend down a little bit. No. Don't want to do that. You know what? Don't think that's going to work. Because the back is open. It's not sealed. So how about if we put this much further down, right where the leak is, and tighten it up. Not a good thing to have fuel spraying right into the hot water pump. So we'll see if this will fix anything. I bet you guys thought I was going to cut the metal or replace it. No, not going to happen. No. How's that gonna happen? How's that gonna work here? It's not going to be vibrating after I put this end back on. It'll hold it up this way, I hope. And if not, we always have zip ties. Okay. Now, let's move you back up here. I know how professional this looks. So, let me get the keys and I will be back. Okay, we're back. Let us see. Clutch, neutral, pump. That's not bad after sitting for 3 or 4 days. Just fires right up. Nope. Even worse than before. So, big fail. It's even worse than before. So, okay, well, I will come back to this once I figure out what I'm going to do. Okay, how many of you knew that wasn't going to work? Well, it didn't work. Leaked even more. I'm the only one that can fix a fuel leak, and it leaks more afterwards. But anyway, if you want to see more of this car, please like, share, subscribe. Actually, subscribe first, and then do the rest. See you in the next one.